Excellency, with your permission, let me invite Oluwele Onyeso to respond on behalf of all the other candidates.
PDP.
Power to the people.
OMUMA. PDP.
Power to the people.
Power to the people.
PDP.
Power to Kelechi.
PDP.
Power to Kelechi.
PDP.
Power to Silvanus.
PDP.
Power to me too.
PDP.
No canker, no man. Your Excellency, the wonderful governor of Rivers State, a pillar in Nigerian politics. Our incoming governor, a young man, a good administrator, highly experienced, and very well read. A man that is ready for the job. Sim Fubara. And your deputy, an erudite professor, a woman who has seen it all, a former permanent secretary, a former commissioner, and a former lecturer. A beautiful woman, a babe. In America, a babe refers to a beautiful woman. Professor Ngozi Odo, the chairman of our party, the director general, and all our elder statesmen here present, we welcome you. On behalf of Kelechi Wogu, the House of Representatives candidate for Eche OMUMA Federal Constituency, and Silvanus Wankwo, the House of Assembly candidate for OMUMA, and my humble self, your incoming Senator, Chief Honorable Oluwele Onyeso. We want to thank the people of OMUMA for this very warm welcome. We want to thank our governor for finding it proper for us to be chosen to represent our various constituencies. We want to thank the party, the solid party PDP, for making it an easy ride for us in the forthcoming election. You know what we are doing here is a celebration because OMUMA has always been PDP. As my younger brother Kelechi will say, that OMUMA has long been compliant, card reader wise. Abakwabo. So we thank you all for this opportunity and we will not disappoint you. Thank you very much and God bless.
Your Excellency, may I also invite to speak to his people, Honorable Kelechi Wogu.
Kelechi Wogu, tell me something. Kelechi Wogu, tell me something. Say, if I dey follow weekend, make I don't follow corner. Kelechi Wogu, tell me. OMUMA people tell me something. Kelechi Wogu, tell me something. Again, Kelechi Wogu, tell me something. If I dey follow weekend, make I don't follow corner. Kelechi Wogu, tell me something. That they born face, oh. Say, that who that they born face for. With their busy body, Sim Fubara don't we know. That they born do their face, oh. That they born face, oh. I'm a puss and the born, that who that they born face. See me na lie, with their busy body, Sim Fubara don't we know. PDP. Power to the people.
OMUMA, do you want me to talk to you? It is only APC people people that will stay in that gallery. If you're a member of PDP, come down to this podium. If you're a member of PDP, come down to this podium. PDP! PDP! If you know you love Sim Fubara, you love Yes or Wike, I don't know whether you love me. If you love me, come down from that podium. PDP! OMUMA PDP! If you love Sim Fubara, can I see you wave anything you're holding? Anything you're holding?
Sim Fubara, oh, I'm a pussy,
Anything you're holding?
Sim Fubara,
Keep waving it up.
I'm a pussy,
Anywhere you are, stand up in your city.
Sim Fubara,
If you love Fubara, if you love Fubara, you incoming governor. PDP. If you believe in Yes or Wike, wave anything you're holding. Wave anything you're holding. If you believe in Yes or Wike, make some noise. If you believe in Yes or Wike, make some noise. OMUMA, stand up for Wike anywhere you are. PDP. Then the bone face.
aha, now who did they born face for? Yeah, you got busy body, Sim Fubara, don't we? So then the one who the first one that they born face for. Yeah, now who did they born face for? Yo, we got busy body, ah, Sim Fubara, don't we know?
Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of Rivers State, the best performing governor, the governor that Mr. President says you are performing. In fact, all the titles the governor has gotten has always come from the opposition party. Mr. Project was given to him by the Vice President of Nigeria. The best performing governor was also given to him by the President of Nigeria. You are welcome with your deputy, sir. Let me also welcome our incoming, very quiet but very intelligent, our incoming governor, Sim Fubara. You are welcome. Let me stand on existing protocol. Your Excellency, what we are doing today is a victory rally. It is not campaign. Because OMUMA local government traditionally has remained PDP. And I want to assure you that we will continue to do the needful. We are going to vote 100%. If one is remaining, we will add it for Sim Fubara. We are going to vote 100% for Owel Oyesu. If you are going to vote for Sim Fubara, please can I see you wave your hand and your flag? If you are voting for Sim Fubara, wave your hand and your flag. We are going to vote for Sim Fubara. Your Excellency, OMUMA people has told me that they will also vote for Honorable Kelechi Nwoku. Your Excellency, when I'm leaving the assembly, I will not bring somebody that cannot perform. Now I have brought, by the grace of OMUMA people, I have brought somebody that can perform. And my wish for him is to perform more than me. Your Excellency, I present to you Sylvanus Wangwo. We are going to vote for him 100%. I don't want to take your time. I will stop here so far. But before I go, I want to assure the people of OMUMA and assure the people of Echie that even before my own result is returned, Chief Owel Onyesu result must be returned 100%. Omuma people, if you are going to vote for Chief Owelo, please indicate by wave your flag and wave your hands. PDP! PDP! Your Excellency, I think I will stop here. But before I stop, I will sing my usual song. My face, no, they fear their face. My face, no, they fear their face. My face, I their face, they fear. My face, I their face. PDP! Face your fear.
Thank you, Your Excellency, for solidarity speech. 2 minutes each. May I invite Honorable Etel Wiwu to address his people for 2 minutes, while Honorable Emmanuel Akata should also be ready.
Your Excellency, Chief SYMFONI Wike, CON, GSSRS, POS Africa, Life Venture, Governor of Rivers State. Your Excellency, let me obtain permission to stand on existing protocols. Your Excellency, with my interaction with OMUMA people, they are proud of you. They look at you as an industrious son of OMUMA land. You have stood by us when we cry. You have been with us. You have fought for us to achieve our lifelong ambition of going to the red chambers. And today, not only OMUMA, the entire Echie land is grateful to you for making it possible that an Echie man will test the red chambers. Your Highness, your humane and transparent love for my people has made you one of us. Why shouldn't we do what you say we should do when you have wiped away tears from our eyes? Echie people know what I'm talking about. Your Excellency, we will seek and rise with you. Wherever you want to go in this life, nationally, internationally, OMUMA people, and in Echie, we stand by you. Your Excellency, let me tell you that, let me in fact empirically tell you that OMUMA is with you, and we only pray that the divine Lord will grant you mercy, give you peace in all your endeavors. In Jesus' name. Kanka.
PDP! PDP! I want all the people. No SIM card.
No
No
network.
SIM card.
No network.
Melembe, melembe. Melembe, melembe. Your Excellency, sir, the Executive Governor of Rivers State, the Atoknadu Governor of our state, Mr. Project, Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of our state, Your Excellency, our incoming governor, I want to stand on the existing protocol. Your Excellency, sir, I want to welcome you to OMUMA local government. OMUMA local government people say welcome. We welcome you so much from our hearts because you have done so much for OMUMA people. OMUMA people say you have done so much for us. Especially you have brought us to limelight of the state. Formerly, OMUMA people are not proud. to say that they are from OMUMA. But today, we are all proud to say that we are from OMUMA local government. Your Excellency, sir, I want to thank you. I want to thank you again for the security we are enjoying in OMUMA local government. It is the dividends of democracy that have caused us to enjoy security. Your Excellency, sir, if you check by your left, by your right, we are bounded by a pole with Abia State, and by your left with a pole with Imo State. Excellency, sir, the security we are enjoying here is not compared, can never be compared with a state security. If not for now, your friend, the Abia man, is trying to emulate your footsteps. Excellency, I want to tell you that we are loyal to the party. We are loyal to your government. OMUMA is one party. We don't have another party in OMUMA. We don't have another party in OMUMA. And we are showing you that that is accruing from the able leadership of our son, Honorable Kelechi Gospabanwogu, the digital leader, the Ohamadike one of our land. I thank you, sir. Loyalty speaks in OMUMA. OMUMA's loyalty speaks. OMUMA people will be doing their things, and they will think we are just being stupid. We are being loyal to your government. And I want to assure you that we are going to return all the PDP candidates come 2023 next month and March in Jesus' name. Thank you, Your Excellency.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Your Excellency, to address these people, may I invite the Rivers East Senatorial Campaign Coordinator, Chief Igo Aguma. PDP.
Power to the people.
PDP. OMUMA Agba touch. Agba touch. Agba touch. Thank you for a wonderful show of solidarity and support to the People's Democratic Party. And we know, as you have said, you will return 100%. God bless you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. OMUMA people, do you want to see Sim Fubara? Are you sure? Do you want to see our incoming governor? Do you want to see our incoming governor?
Yeah.
If you want to see the governor, let me see your hands up now. Show me that you want to see our incoming governor. On behalf of the campaign council, I want to invite the incoming governor of Rivers State, our brother, the PDP candidate, Honorable Sim
Fubara, tell me something. Sim tell me something. Say, if I don't follow wicked, make I don't follow corner. Sim Fubara, tell me something. Sim tell me something. Sim Fubara, tell me something. If I don't follow wicked, make I don't follow corner. Sim Fubara, tell me something. Sim Fubara, tell me something. Sim Fubara, tell me something. If I don't follow wicked, make I don't follow corner. Sim Fubara, tell me something. Say that they both face, that who that they both face for. Yeah, we are busy body, Sim Fubara, go we know. They don't do their first word that they both face, now who that they both face for. Yeah, we are busy body, Sim Fubara, go we know. Say me, I don't go agree, 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 I don't go agree. Sim Fubara go rule, me I no go agree, me I no go agree, I no go agree, I no go agree, me I no go agree, me I no go agree, me I no go agree, I no go agree, I no go agree. Sim Fubara go rule. How many them there where we no go win them? How many them there where we no go win them? Oh, yeah, where we no go win them? How many them there where we no go win them? How many them there where we no go win them? How many them there?
PDP.
PDP. Power to the youth. Power to the women. Power to the OMUMA leaders. Power to, including myself too. Let me follow our senator, our incoming senator. Your Excellency, our leader, the chairman of our elders forum, the chairman of our party in the state and his working committee, other leaders of the party that are here, leaders of OMUMA, PDP, more especially our digital leader, Honorable Kelechi Wogu. PDP, OMUMA Chekao, OMUMA Chekao, Chekao. My speech, which I prepared, has been cut short. Honestly speaking, because of the declaration here. It is just a confirmation, an affirmation too, that PDP is OMUMA and OMUMA is PDP. So what do I need to tell you again? You already know the road. They follow Wu Sabi road. Is it also? But it will be incomplete for me to live here without saying something. On our way here, I've seen the dividend of democracy, which every one of you here attested to. The journey was smooth because of good governance. You are enjoying security because of good governance. You have a leader by Kelechi who is also giving you good governance. But I will add that we need to also grow, build, develop other manpower in this LGA. So my declaration here is I'm going to focus on manpower development. You have everything, but you still need more people to be stronger than what you are today. Your PDP already, we are getting 100%, is it not? We want to build people so that next time we'll be getting 200, 300 and more. There is a saying, you don't need to be loud to be strong. To be strong doesn't need loudness. It's you having what it takes to deliver on core mandates. And I can assure you that we know what we're going to do, and we're going to do it right for the people of OMUMA, for the people of Rivers State, and for Nigeria. PDP, let me leave you with this. We didn't pick that title or the theme, consolidation and continuity, for nothing. We picked it because we have laid a foundation which you are standing on. Is it not? That foundation must be protected and secured. And that is what I stand for. To make sure that we don't derail from where we are, to make sure that we continue in that road that will bring more development to the OMUMA people. And that is why we say our team is consolidation and continuity. For a better OMUMA, for a better River State, and for a better Nigeria. I want to thank every one of you for your support, your solidarity. I think it is very clear from what we're seeing here that your DNA is PDP. And our vote is intact. But I want to appeal too. We still have a few PVC in the INEC offices. Ensure that you secure them and keep them safe for the 25th of February and 11th of March. Details of how we are going to do that of 25th, we will tell you. You already know the other one. That of the 11th, you already know. There's no contest. I am not contesting this election with anybody. That is the truth. Forget about all those other things you're hearing, all those other things, people that are making noise. They are the ones that are in competition. Me, I'm not in competition because I already have it. So what we are doing is to secure what we have. And everybody has to come out and make that statement and make it loud for River State. Thank you and God bless you all.